Okay, today we're going to review a September 1981 production Mercedes 380 SL. This car is a three-owner car with a service file thick enough that it would make Carnegie Library be proud to have it on their shelves. Real well serviced car, really well looked after. And then when I got it, I did more. So everything is ready on this car. Double timing chains have been done. That was the most important thing for 81 cars. Double timing chain, air conditioning's cold, front suspension, tie rod ends, drag link, all done. It had these chrome 560 SL wheels on the car. I historically don't like that, but on this particular car, I thought it was pretty handsome, so I kept them on. You can see the car sits well. And is straight. Soft top looks brand new. Probably is. No pinching, no crimps, nothing. Just all the seals are good. Really, that's the reflection of the characteristic of the rest of the car. So we've got a beautiful soft top. When I take the top down, I'll show you the interior. The seats are perfect. The pleats are up. The paint is nice on this car. All the trim is good. All the gaps are good. I'll put the soft top down and we'll take a look at it. All right, here we are with the car as a roadster configuration. Very handsome car. Classic, iconic, 107 bodied Mercedes-Benz convertible. You can tell it's very straight, all the gaps are good. Bumper overlays are good, no damage. Grille is perfect. Headlight doors are perfect. No door dings down the sides. No chips. You can tell how well cared for this car has been. Look at the seats. Look at the pleats, bolsters, armrest, wood. Not a single crack in that wood. Good seat. No cracks on the dash and no dash pad. Car has 64,000 miles. We've completely gone through the car. As I stated, it has a large book of service history file. But it needed some things. The air conditioning needed to be recharged, and then a couple of tie rod ends on the front suspension. That's been done along with an alignment. So the car is ready to go. I mentioned once before the double timing chain's been done. All the front suspension components that I just mentioned has been done. These are typical things that go out on these cars. The big thing for 81s were the double timing chains. Very, very nice interior. Headliners are tight. Headrests are tight. And if you go around on the car, all the seals, see how straight and clean they are, and they're not damaged from weather. Tires are real deep. I believe they are Michelin's. No damaged rubber. No sun damaged rubber. No moisture in the headlights or turn signal lenses. Does have a hardtop. The hardtop's in great shape, as is the rest of the car. Car starts right up. Key is in it, so let's start it up. One of the things you want to listen for is chain noise, which this one will not have. Quiet and nice. Nice idle. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the car on the lift and show you the car at eye level and then do an undercarriage video. All right, here we are at eye level on the 380 SL. Some of this may be a redundancy of what I've already stated, but you'll be able to see it. We want to look and see how clean all the lenses are: fog lenses, turn signal lenses, headlight doors and headlight seal beams, condition of the front bumper, grille. This corner's clean. I mentioned tires when it was on the ground. These are Michelin's. They're deep tread. No damage on the chrome wheels. If you don't like the chrome wheels, I do have a set of original style wheels. Again, I just thought those chromes made this car very handsome. But look how straight. Rocker panels are a rust area here. This car was a Southern car, by the way. No rust. Straight moldings, not full of wax, not damaged from the sun. Look how straight that door is. And we have to walk around this way again. Good wheel, deep tread tire, straight sides, no rust. That's a straight, nice 107 SL. Nice gaps here. Nice and even. No damage here. I spoke of a large file of service tickets. Here we go. Extraordinary. Do have all the original books, manuals, and services. Original bill of sale. Interesting. Original bill of sale. We can go through here, no need to. There's a lot of tickets. He was going to a shop that has a reputation of selling service. They're very expensive, and I hope their name doesn't show up here. This man had no trouble opening his checkbook for this car. So good services. I will raise it so we can see the underside. Okay, we're onto the underside of the 81 380 SL. Southern car, not rusty. Good floorboards. Dry engine. We had just replaced tie rod ends and had the car aligned. See deep tread Michelin tires. New exhaust from the catalytic converter back. Dry differential. No damage here. And again, once more, no rust.